Hello everybody, hope you had a great Thanksgiving and are doing well on your way to Christmas. Today I'm showing the 3D print of my new soap stamp design. Basically, I made a tall handle and some indents to hold it with your fingers so that we don't smash our fingers so much. Because I used to just make a flat plate with the words on it. It printed really fast, and then I glued it to a chunk of wood that was like a 1x4 or 1x3, something like that. And this did work, but we always end up hitting our fingers, which really sucks, especially in the cold. So I'm trying to print all of our different types. I think we've got like over 60 types of soap now. I'm trying to reprint them with this new handle design because, well, it's long overdue. It takes like an hour and 10 minutes or some such. I can't really remember to print one of these, so yeah, it's gonna take me a while. I also offer custom words on soap stamps like this for sale on the website. I haven't sold very many of them, but I have sold a couple and people have been happy with them thus far. One thing you have to remember when you're using a stamp is to spray the stamp and the surface of the soap that's being stamped with isopropyl alcohol, which is commonly known as rubbing alcohol, because it makes it so that less soap sticks to the stamp so that you don't constantly clog your stamp and have a poor stamp in the soap. So in other news, sales have really been picking up as a lot of people are ordering for their businesses because the Christmas sales are picking up. Soap is one of the top 3 gifts given for Christmas. It's really an affordable option, especially if you don't know what to get somebody who has everything. You can always use another bar of soap, right? The goats are doing really well. They're not having any problems that we can see in the cold or anything like that. They're just trucking right along. They're like, we grew in our winter coats, we're good. I haven't got to do that video I was talking about with the last R&D batch where I didn't add enough lye, where I was going to rebatch it and put it in with another thing of soap, but I'll get there eventually. Well, that's about it for the updates. I've run out of things to say, so I'm just going to let you watch the rest of this video in nice, calm silence. Enjoy, and I'll see you next week.